Guys, what's good? It's your boy Big Drizzlax. Thank you so much for joining me on another episode here at OGHQ. Today, we're going to be talking about these Alpaka Vertex slings, pouches, tech kits, desk caddies, all in one. So I think it's like a 3-in-1. Basically, it's a sling and then it's a tech case desk caddy. Now, these are the sample versions. A couple of differences. They sent this strap out, which isn't the strap that it comes with. It actually comes with a strap with a shoulder, shoulder padding. This is from the Alpaka Bravo tote, and it's pretty similar to what the strap is going to be like on this. So yeah, don't worry about this strap. This is the one that it's going to come with. Also, it has that magnetic buckle, and it has these rotating anchors, which are really sick. I actually have these on my Wotancraft 10-liter Pilot as well, so really big fan of that. So yeah, that's that one. Let's have a look at the inside of this X-Pac version. There are 2 magnets just under there as well, so when you flip this, and there's stuff in there, when you flip it, it just locks, basically, as you can see underneath, which is a nice little feature. Orange honeycomb. Haven't really been the biggest fan of this. They've had this in other products as well, like their tech case, tech kit. I like the grey one more, which is in the Axoflux version. Each to their own though. I know that a lot of people like orange, so yeah, let's take this one out of the equation, throw it on the floor, and we're gonna throw this one in. And you're probably asking yourself, Driz, what the hell is that? Well, this is the pouch that they kind of modeled it after. This is the Evergoods Cap, the compact, I always forget the name of this, Cap 2L. It's like a 2-liter, which the Vertex is a 3.5-liter, but this is a Civic Access pouch, so it's a Cap 2. The similarities is that you can access this part from the inside and the outside, so that's kind of similar to the Vertex. It's a desk caddy / tech organizer. There are these little bits here, I guess, where you could put a strap, but it doesn't come with a strap. And when it's sitting on your desk, it kind of looks like that triangle shape. The other big feature inside is that you can move this bit in here to, if you want to put taller items to the front. If you want to put shorter items in there, you can move it to the back, or if you want to just use both sections. So let's have a quick look at how it all works in this. The design is amazing. This is the Axoflux version. The X-Pac version is actually $119 US. This one is $99 US. This is my favorite one because of the lining. I like the grey lining over the orange. Like I said, whatever tickles your fancy. And I really like this material because they recycle 4 water bottles, and I don't know how this works. I've seen other companies do this as well, but 4 water bottles get recycled, plastic water bottles, which is amazing, to make this pouch. On the back, a little bit of a qualm that I have, I don't even know what qualm means. It's such a weird word. These little strap bits here, I feel like they could be sewn under this beautiful handle. Like, the handle is so nice to the touch, and I feel like this whole top bit is beautiful, except for these it's kind of like an afterthought almost. But yeah, you could put it underneath this material and just have a tiny little bit sticking out where you can put the strap, attach the strap to. I was gonna say where you can put the strap on, but my mind always goes in a dirty direction when I say that word, but you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I kind of feel like this could be sewn in under that. No big deal. Also the D-ring, which is for the stabilizer strap if you're riding a push bike or whatever and you don't want it to move around. I feel like with a little slit right here, this could just be tucked in. I'm actually a really big fan of this D-ring because even if you don't have the stabilizer strap, you could put a light on there. So if you're on an e-scooter, skateboard, e-skateboard, any e-type of movement, electric movement, which is kind of where the world is heading, you can attach one of those blinking lights if you're traveling early in the morning or late at night, right? This is on your back, so you have a light attached to that. Fantastic. Water guarded zips. This pocket here, basically I have my wallet and keys there, but you can also, let's get those magnets to attach. You can also access the stuff from the inside. So if you're cruising around and you just need to grab your wallet quickly or your keys, you just undo that one zip. But if you're sitting at your desk and you have your AirPods in there, chewing gum in this pocket right here, you can get to it that way as well. I just have this little Bellroy key organizer with my house keys, and then I have the Alpaka slim card wallet. I don't even know what it's called. I'll put it up on screen. Been using it for months now. I actually have it in black as well, and I love it. I love it because I'm a minimalist. I like minimal carry, 2 or 3 cards, perfect. So on the inside here, got my Ray-Bans. I don't even know what model these are. They're quite dirty because I wear them a lot. Polarized, I might put that up on screen as well, just in case. It's funny how this fits though. It's great. Glasses and then AirPods. It's kind of like it was made for this little section. So yeah, just the AirPods Pro, the old version, also very dirty, which they need to clean, or I just need to upgrade to the ones that have USB Type-C, because finally Apple has given us a phone with USB Type-C. So happy, so happy. We have this little product here, speaking of USB Type-C, from Ampere, and this is just a little cable kit. So you have USB Type-C to C, micro attachment, USB-A attachment, lightning attachment. You also have a SIM tool and a little spot for another SIM card. And this is a tiny little package. It also folds into a stand, so you can just open it up like that and put your phone on there. There is a code for 20% off, which I don't get paid for, but you save 20%. So if you want one of these, use the code. I'll throw it up on the screen. This is what I really love. For the first time, with all the pouches that I carry, I can actually carry a full-size pen, and it goes into this section here where you could throw keys and other things, whatever. I have a little SIM card in there as well, which is the big SIM card, which goes into this camera, and a little SIM card which goes into the Osmo 4. They already have SIM cards in there, but this is the backup, the 2-in-1. And like I said, the Lamy, this is just a rollerball, basically full-size Lamy pen. They are unbelievable. So the Ricoh camera, one of the greatest cameras of all time. I'm going to throw up a photo from Sydney, from a rooftop that I went up to, which you're not supposed to go on. That camera actually took that photo. It's unbelievable. We got the Osmo 4 on the GoPro. I think this is called the Shorty. So you can kind of vlog. Hello, I am a big doofus. You know, do one of those. Then the other thing, another Melbourne institution, memo bottle, which this is great for tea, coffee in the morning because it's insulated, and then keeping your water really cold on a hot day. So that kind of fits just in there. And then right at the back, we have this Topo pouch, which I'll leave a link down below as well. These are fantastic, and just batteries in that one. So that's it. That's how I carry my stuff in my Vertex pouch. I don't know how you live your life, but let's say you have a camera, an old school camera, right? And then you have a pocket organizer, which I've already done an episode for this hub pocket organizer, Alpaka hub pouch pocket organizer with hook and loop. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, there's an episode for that if you want to see what's in this. It is a nice little amazing carry. We got this bigger water bottle, which is also from Memo Bottle. We can throw that out the back. And then what else are we throwing in? Maybe some Batman playing cards right in the front here from Theory 11. And then I'm always going to go the AirPods because I can't really go anywhere without the AirPods. So that's been the Vertex pouch, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am sorry that I've been a little bit under the weather, and you know, I'm trying my best. All the links will be down in the description, so you can also save 15% on all Alpaka products using one of my links. If you choose to do so, that'll be down in the description as well, some of these other items too. And yeah, till the next time, I hope that you like this little presentation. Press the like button, subscribe, do all that good stuff for me. And it's been your boy Big Driz. One love. Peace.